Not too long ago, I did a video about this pair of Thursday Dukes in Brandy leather. These were factory seconds, and I just kind of wondered, is it worth saving a bit of money to get the seconds? And my experience definitely was. They're holding up great. Just want to kind of clean them up a little bit. This is some pretty heavy use over the last couple of months. So to start, just going to get a horsehair brush. They're not muddy or anything, so I'm just going to get some of the dust off the uppers. Use a coarse brush on the welt. Lint-free cloth just to kind of get the last remaining bits of any dust that might be left behind. I'm going to condition the uppers with Bic 4, which I use a lot on smooth leathers. Really easy to apply and works well. And then just a final buff with a horsehair brush again. Once that's all done, the outsole and the welt kind of dried out. Wore these through the winter, so all the salt and snow do some damage. So some Phoebing's edge dressing on there. And still a little bit wet here, but you'll see in the pictures coming up that it's dried. So in my experience, definitely worthwhile, especially now because I knew I wanted to wear them as sort of a kick around boot. Just throw them on, dog walks, whatever I needed them for, quick and easy to put on at the door. Really worthwhile grabbing these Thursday seconds and bringing them back to life with a little bit of leather conditioner and some edge dressing. Alright, thank you so much.